How to fix Instagram Reels auto scroll option not showing. Let's get started. First, what you have to do is head towards the Reels page. While scrolling at the right, you're gonna find three dots. Clicking on that option, you're gonna find the option of auto scroll. In case that option is missing, what you have to do is update your Instagram. So close this, launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, you might get the option of auto scroll. You can go ahead and check. If still it is missing, what you have to do is head back, navigate to the profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, navigate to the option Help, click on the option Report your problem. Click on the option Report problem without shaking, click on Don't Include and continue. Now here you can upload the picture. You can take the screenshot of the page where auto scroll option is missing, then upload it. Likewise, here you'll need to type in the auto scroll feature is missing even though you are using the latest version of Instagram. Provide that feature as soon as possible and you can send it. With that, Instagram support team will get back to you, and that's it. This way you can easily get access to auto scroll option. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.